Hey everyone, it's winter, it's January, I love winter, and I especially love snow. But unfortunately we're not getting a whole lot of snow, so for today's STEM activity we're going to be making snow, or at least fake snow, in our own homes. For this activity you're just going to need two ingredients, cornstarch and shaving cream, as well as some measuring cups to measure them and a bowl to mix in. So to start, you're going to want to measure out your ingredients. You're going to need equal amounts of shaving cream and cornstarch. I'm using a half cup here. If you want to make more fake snow, you're going to want to use maybe a cup of each. As you can see, both of these ingredients can be very messy, so you're going to want to do this over an area that it's okay to get dirty. So I'm going to measure out, my half cup of cornstarch. Shaving cream. So next, I had a little trouble with this, which is why it's not on video and why my hands are covered in shaving cream. But you're going to want to measure out the same amount, in my case half a cup, of shaving cream. And you're going to put that in the bowl with the cornstarch. Now you're just going to mix everything together with your fingers. You'll know that your fake snow is ready to be used when you can give it a little squeeze like that, and it packs together instead of just crumbling apart. It shouldn't smush. It should feel a little bit like snow, where you can pack it into a solid snowball. At this point, make sure you break up any big chunks, and you can transfer out of the bowl into whatever you want to store it in, or if you want to play with it now, wherever you want to do that. Once you have your snow on a tray, it'll pack a lot like the real thing. It's crumbly, so don't apply too much pressure, but you can squeeze it into shapes, you can make snowballs. See what you can build with it. Can you build a snowman? Or maybe some kind of other snow creature. And yeah, have fun with it. I hope you have fun with your fake snow. Don't make too much of a mess, and I'll see you next time.